Hi, I'm Noshir Zafar, Solutions Consultant at Engage ESM. Welcome to this short video created by one of our experts to deliver a demonstration of a ServiceNow feature you might not be aware of, something which we hope will help make the experience of your employees, customers, and end users just that little bit better. Are your current reporting capabilities inflexible and holding you back? Do you need a more centralized data model that will help you to scale business challenges? Would you like to effectively leverage performance analytics and KPIs? Today, Hamza Yusuf, a technical consultant, will walk you through reporting on ServiceNow.
Hi everyone and welcome back. ServiceNow supports a very powerful tool in reporting, which is available in many areas of the platform through various KPIs and breakdowns. This widely used feature is highly customizable and enables you to create and distribute reports that show the current state of instance data. For example, in this tutorial, we'll walk through how incident data can be manipulated in order to generate reports that can be utilized by the business. So let's get started. There are multiple ways to generate reports, the most common of which is to navigate to the report application, like so, and selecting Create New. From this screen, you should be able to configure your report to the desired specifications, beginning with the report name. In this case, let's choose Instance, a data source, in this case, the incident table, and when you move on to the type screen, you should be able to see the data for which your report will be applied to. In this case, the entire incident table. And on the type screen, we can decide where and how we want our data to be displayed. This you can see at the moment in the middle of the screen. On the left-hand side, there are a number of standard representations of data, from line graphs to pivot tables to pie charts. For the purposes of this demonstration, let's use a simple bar chart. And we now move on to the configure screen of the report builder. From here, we can customize how we want our chosen data to be displayed. For example, in a bar chart, the columns can be edited. We can change how the data is grouped, how it's stacked, and much more. Another cool, interesting feature is that if we need to change the requirements of the data itself, instead of having to go all the way back to the beginning, we can do so here by opening up the condition builder and setting the required condition. In this case, let's choose the fact that we want a priority of instance to be greater than, let's say, 4. If we run that here, we can see how that's reflected in the data. And moving on, we can begin to edit the visuals of the report here in the style section. Things like color, text, size, alignment, etc. can all be changed here. We can now save our report, click on the share button, and publish it. We can also share through a number of other options that you can see here. Simply selecting share will allow you to either share only to yourself, make the report visible to anyone with a specific role, or any named group or user that you wish. Schedule will allow you to send an email containing the report. Additional email contents can be changed here. Selecting Add to Dashboard will allow you to export the report to any dashboard that you have access to. And finally, Export to PDF simply saves the report as a PDF ready to be sent. There is a disadvantage to using this method over the other three, as when saving the report as a PDF, it is no longer a live representation of the data. This means that it is essentially only a snapshot of the data at a certain point in time, and any updates made after the PDF is created will not be reflected. And the opposite is true for the other three. And that just about concludes the video. But before we wrap up, did you know that ServiceNow is so intuitive that you can actually create a report directly from any table that you are on? Simply right-click on any of these column headers and select either bar or pie chart. Let's have a look. Well, isn't that cool? That's it from me, everyone. We hope to see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps you to boost the ServiceNow user experience in your organization. Watch out for other videos in this series, and don't forget that you can contact us for further information.